Loaded, Reserve Equipment Group, All-Wheel Drive, AWD, Luxury Package, Driver, S Assistance Package, Technology Package, Climate Package, Lane Keeping System, Adaptive Cruise Control with Collision Warning, Adaptive LED Headlamps, Blind Spot Monitoring System, Sync 3 Voice Activated Bluetooth System, Plush Heated and Cooled Leather Interior, Heated Steering Wheel, Hands-Free Liftgate, Panoramic Vista Roof, and much more. With any questions and to take advantage of this internet special, please contact Jeremiah Wright. Ask him about financing, extended service plan, or an AutoCheck history report and Carfax. Please call us to check availability and to schedule a test drive. Prices do not include G8 tag or title. Must print ad to receive quoted price and signed by Internet Manager. X_. Subject to prior sale. Not responsible for typographical errors or VIN-generated errors. Please visit our home website to view a free AutoCheck history report and Carfax.